Where is the on-off button on the EasyToys Rabbit vibrator? With so many buttons to have a look at, it can be really confusing. Today I'll show you everything you need to know. So here we have the control pad for the Rabbit vibrator. Now it comes with rotation and vibrations, meaning there's two different sections to this. For the rotations, you're going to click on the on button at the bottom left just here, and you use this button to increase the rotations. Where it says off, simply use the bottom right button to decrease the rotations or indeed turn them off. For the vibrations, you're going to click on the on-off button at the top just here. And you can use the 12 button just here to change to the 12 different vibration settings. The RS button here means rotation and speed, meaning you can press this button and the rotations will change to the other side from anti-clockwise to clockwise and so forth. Did you find that video helpful? Why not take a look at our other FAQ videos in this collection? If you have a question for us, we'd love to hear it. Why not pop your question below in the comment section and we'll take a look at it for you.